Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to track your baggage on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the baggage section and click on Track My Baggage, which is the third option. And after that, you should wait a few seconds. Then you should scan your baggage barcode by tapping on this button at the top. Then you need to allow the app to have access to your camera, so tap on OK. Then you should scan the barcode. And when you are done, you should enter your baggage number, which is a 10-digit number. Then you should add the flight number and select the boarding date and click on the Track My Baggage button, and then you will be able to find the relevant baggage information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.